Okay, continue on the transaction processing module. In here, we will talk about how to search a transaction, either by transaction number or transaction receipt number, or any other single phrase information. We will also talk about how to select a range of transaction for reading, and we will also discuss how to view the historic transaction, what is historic transaction and how to view it. Okay, to search a transaction, first we come to the program, enter to this module, okay, and we can enter the search number right here. Search number, for example, I'm looking for 5266. This is a receipt number within this batch, so I just tell them to search, and I found it at this transaction. Look at here, I found it, the receipt number is right here. Okay, look, I want to look for another example. I want to look for 018375. This will be the transaction number. Search, found it right here, 018375. This is how we search the transaction. Any single phrase or information we can enter here and ask the system to search. If found there's multiple entry, then we can do next for the next entry and so on. This is how we search a single transaction. As for reading a range of transaction, select a range of transaction, we can do like this. I'm going to move to current confirm archive cell page. Current confirm archive cell page right here. In here, I want to look for 1 day of transaction. Okay, let's say I want to read 1 day transaction on the 1st of May only. 1st of May only. I using this function set view. I enter 1st of May. Until 1st of May also, and then I click, left click, select. I have 129 transactions on the 1st of May. You can see date, 1st of May until last one, also date 1st of May. Total 129 transactions, and these are other information we can read. Let's do another selection here. I'm going to do a right click now. Right click, we release all my selection here. We release all my selection, and then I'll do a left click again. I want to put in multiple selection. Multiple selection means that 01052017 until 2nd of May, 2 days. I want to select 2 days. Okay, and then customer, I want to base on the customer also. Customer is a cash customer, which is mean that I'm going to select cash customer on from date 1 to 2 on May. I do a select, okay, do a select, then I found that 176 transaction. 176 transaction is on cash from 1st of May until 2nd of May. Okay, as regard to this set view, I'm doing a right click now to release all my selection, and I do a left click now. In here, this select form is very powerful and useful. We can select multiple conditions based on date, based on customer, based on operator, based on service officer. Okay, we can also based on receipt date and invoice date and so on. We can even do a negative select. Negative select means that all these conditions, not all these conditions. We can do a negative select for us to select a range of transaction. As for the last point is the historic batch transaction. Historic batch transaction is a special batch transaction right here in the history, and show historic transaction right here. Okay, this is the historic batch transaction. This historic batch of transaction is a self-maintained batch of transaction. First of all, it will record every transaction happen in this system, whether it's a cash sale, it's an invoice, or any other transaction. Second, this historic batch transaction will hold up to maximum 5,000 transactions. Anytime when there's exceeding 5,000 transactions, the old transaction will be trimmed off. the new transaction coming in, old transaction will be trimmed off. Now, this history based transaction is purpose is to serve as a reference. Anytime when we look at the original transaction, at the current batch, something inconsistent, we can always come back to historic batch to read what are the different is. So the historic based transaction serve as a reference purpose. Reference purpose.